Hayo hai lam sugo star career o joto khajani takuk bukuk nai tongai rongno जों tini nailai Geography of India Part 1 omo belai nangmani TCS TPS TFS tai tripani joto competitive exam aboni bagi belai nangmani tai जों chengnan sikang joto khajani takuk bukuk songno kaisa koimung sanjao chini main purpose wngka o channel ni chini borok rokno bahai encourage khaiman competitive exam reman jaga rogo aboni bagui norokni hamjangma tai chubachu nango norokni hamjangma tai chubachu mankhe star career ni bisingtwi ching tebo chini borok rokno bwkhati saimano encourage khaimano rogo competitive exam reman jaga rogo aboni bagui norokni hamjangma tai chubachu ni bisingtwi rokno chini channel no subscribe khairidi tai bell icon press khairidi hingke phaidi जों chenglaimani phasing thangmani sinai जों tini khalinai India physical aspects means tamo India o mountains rok beng tong beng side o tong tai India world map ni book position o tong aborok chung nailani recent tabok first question tamo India's length is from east to west A 2933 km B 3214 km C 3133 km D 3033 km ge correct answer tamo nailini chingtabo 2933 omongkha India ni length east side ni simi west side jora bwsuklo asok 2933 km ge phaidi next question thanglani next question ka India's length from north to south tabong ke north ni simi south sak India map ni saka ni simi tola jora bwsuk kilometer naiji correct answer nailini chingtabo 3214 km okay phaidi जों next question thanglani next question wngkha how much India's total geographical area of the world India geographical area o world ni bwsuk percent hingke bwsuk percent hingke wngko A 2.2% B 2.4% C 2.8% D 3.2% correct answer जों nailani tamo 2.4% number 4 what is the number of maritime coast states in India means chini somudro ni kinar koita state tong kaibasuk state tong hingke A wngkha 7 B 8 C 9 D 13 correct answer wngkha 9 state tong somudro ni kinar khe next question the longest coastline state is A Maharashtra B Gujarat C Andhra Pradesh D Tamil Nadu India ni bo state ni boundary somudro bai joton se kolok khe nangjak hingke correct answer nailini chang Gujarat mujonarakdi omo belai nangmani o question rok omo chini exam competitive exam bagi jotono kam nangmani belai nangmani belai nangmani question rok for the next question 6 which latitude line passes through the middle of India A equatorial line B Arctic line C Tropic of Cancer D Tropic of Capricorn hingke omo wngkha naidi tamsaka bo latitude line India ni middle ti lai amrok jotono latitude line no but bo line lai India ti hingke जों correct answer nailani Tropic of Cancer o Tropic of Cancer India ni 8 state ti laio Tripura bo khobjago o Tropic of Cancer o Tripura tebo laio Tripura TPSC rogo question phaimano tamhnai Tripura ni bo city ti Tropic of Cancer lai pass khai hingke जों saimano nango tamo Udaipur muitonarokdi apkaisa important Number 7 question. The Tropic of Cancer is passed from how many states of India? Question phagya thajing samani sang. Go India ni kaibusuk state dilai Tropic of Cancer. Go sang thajing ob saka. Right answer angke busungnai 8 state dilai. Okay, next question thanglai 8. India's mainland, the southernmost point is India ni mainland ni joton sai southernmost joton sai tolani point ni bungtam ajaga ni bungtam. Mainland means naide India ni islands rogotong Andaman Nicobar Lakshadweep abrogotong abrong na badruoi India ni main jaga simi main map abno hino mainland India ni mainland ngana lene India ni mainland ni southernmost point ajaga ni mung tam India ni joton sai tolani jaga ni bung. A. Cape Comorin, B. Indra Point, C. Nariman Point, D. Kelimar Point. Correct answer tamo Cape Comorin. Muitunardi kamka. Next question. India's southernmost point is Thajing ni question by kisa same nomo Thajing ni ke naidi mainland. Thajing ni mainland means island of Badrui. Okay, tabung ni question ke tamo all means mainland plus island rock joton milbuino joton sai southernmost joton sai tolani Indian south dike bujaga tong ajaga ni mungtam. Correct answer ka Indra Point. Indra Point bujaga tong sajaman Indra Point Andaman Nicobar ni joton sai tola hotu omono Indian joton sai tola. Next question. Northernmost point of India land is joton sai sakao joton sai India map ni joton sai sakao tongnai jaga ni mung tam. A. Indra Point, B. Transit Point, C. Pigalion Point, D. Indra Col. Okay, correct answer na rin siyang Indra Col. Tinin bagay asung no hambay joto no joto khazan taku buk nai tong erong no hambay chini channel no norong ni hamjang na tai chuba chuni bising tai subscribe khai di tai like khai di share khai chini Facebook page no follow khai di tai telegram o ke norok PDF free man nai asung no